Hello everyone, welcome again to our class. For the second quarter, we will discuss and focus on Arts Module 1, Technology-Based Art. So, what is this lesson? What's in? Ano ang mabubuo ninyong salita mula sa dalawang grupo ng mga letters na ito? EMNDRO at RTA. If your guess is that is modern art. So, ano-ano nga ba ang involved sa paggawa ng modern art? Okay, let's arrange the jumbled letters to reveal the words connected with modern art. Okay, so, these jumbled letters, TECMRPOU. So, ano ang mabubuo nating salita dyan? Okay, correct. Computer. What about this one? Penho. PENHO. And you are correct again. That is phone. What about those letters colored blue? CIPEGLLAOC. Very good. That is pic collage. And this group of letters in yellow, BEDAO, PSOHOOPT. Again, you're very good. That is Adobe Photoshop. Before, modern art is not considered as an art. Pinagtatalunan pa yan ng mga eksperto. Kasi nga po, computer daw ang gumagawa ng mga visual arts na ito. Ang mga example natin, we have the polygon drawing by Friederike. Okay, so sa computer ginawa yan. Okay, then the other one is Scrotter Gravel. Okay, so gravel para mga bato, 'di ba, na pinagpatong-patong, created by George Nice. At si Vera Molnar naman, ang ginawa niya ay ang orders or orders. Okay, so actually itong orders na to para siyang algorithm. So combination of math and science. Okay, so pagka gumagawa sila ng mga system sa computer, ay yung mga mathematical symbol ang lumalabas doon para may mga configuration. So, yung mga scientists and mathematician lang ang nakakaalam kung ano-ano yung combination na dapat nilang gamitin o gawin para makakreate sila ng isang experiment nila. So, usually, sa mga technology talaga ginagamit yung algorithms. And we have Mountain and Starlight by Ronald Davies. Okay, yung nasa taas, yung colored na parang star, okay, marami daw ganyang klase na minerals, isang uri ng bato na marami sa US. Okay, so, pinapakita lang nila dun sa bundok na yon na ano-ano ba yung mga makikuhang minerals. At ang marami nga daw dyan na yung Starlight. Okay, so, sabi nga ito ay gawa lang o manipulated by computers, kaya ayaw nilang tanggapin. Okay, so only in 1990, saka lang nila tinanggap na considered art na nga yung nakikreate sa mga computers. So, later on, lumabas na yung iba't ibang application okay, para mas makapag-create pa ng iba't ibang uri ng arts. Okay, so that's all for our lesson in arts. So, ano ba ang mga sasagutan? Independent Assessment 1. Okay, complete the concept map by writing the title of the digital arts of the following modern artists. So, binanggit na natin kanina ang mga nalikha nila Ronald Davies, Friederike, Vera Molnar, and George Nice. Also, answer assessment 2. From your module, copy and answer the 15 question. Okay, so sa assessment yan ninyo makikita. And sabi nila, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So may kinalaman sa paggawa ng mga modern art you have an additional activity, that is to download photo collage on your Android phone. Okay, so isa itong app na makikita nyo sa Play Store. Paki-download po para nyo ito. Mobile project. Okay, so from that application, mag-create kayo ng sarili nyong modern digital art at isend ang isang photo sa ating GC. Okay, any picture, mas maganda sana yung picture ninyo ipakita nyo. Kaya lang make sure lang po na decente yung ipapasa nyo sa aking picture, ha? Okay. Thanks, and this is your teacher, Ma'am Priscilla Bernabe Cruz. I hope to see you in person. Bye.